Hi everyone, Daniel Fitzpatrick here from Alternative Foot Solutions. So this is the next instalment of our summer series. So over summer people are super active, and what I would recommend is you get yourself a roller. Now rollers are really good at loosening up tight tissue structures and helping you getting rid of soreness. Now one area that we do forget of the leg that we see a lot in the clinic that people get issues with is rolling out your adductors. Now your adductor will particularly in a pronated foot type, will tend to get very tight through those areas. Now we see a lot of pronated people, and we see a lot of people who do get sore in other areas, and also will also help to loosen up your hamstrings if you do roll this adductor. So the way we do this one, we're popping this here, like so, and we're just rolling in like this. And you're just working it along. Just like that. And you want to go all the way up to your groin, okay? And what this is going to do is it's going to loosen up all of those tissues. Really good to do as part of a chain and as part of the other exercises that we have done. Hello Frank, how are you? This is Frank. So what I would say is if you think this is helpful, feel free to share it with a friend. Get your phone out of the camera. Feel free to share it with a friend. And feel free to contact the clinic if you'd like some more information. And also check out our website. We've got lots of videos like this. Thanks very much.